I'm going to flush my heater core on my Chevy Silverado 2000. You've got two hoses that are feeding the heater core. The one on the right is the hot going in. The one on the left is the cold coming out. So you're going to want to flush it reversed. So we need to pull off these clamps. Now I have a special tool here that grabs these clamps, holds onto them, and then the pliers stay compressed so you can slide it back. There we go. Okay. Alright, so we pulled those off. Now we just need to pull these two hoses off. That's the one. We're going to lose a little bit of coolant. That's the two. Okay, I've attached this 1/2-inch tubing. It's 1/2-inch ID. The only issue is it doesn't quite fit. You need something a little bigger. I had to heat up the ends to make them fit. And I have this adapter I bought at Amazon that you can slide onto the hose and apply water. Now you want to apply it gently. You don't want to do it very hard because you don't want to blow out the heater core. So I'm going to, oh, and I have the other end of this hose in a bucket to catch any debris and also the old coolant. You can see that there's large chunks, so that'll clear it out. So I'll flush it a little more and then put it back together, and then my heater should work. Okay, all that's left to do is put the hoses back on. Make sure I get them in the right direction. Cold there, hot there. Again, these are these pliers. They, you have to hold this lever to open them, and then once they close, they hold that clamp closed. So, come over here, grab it. There we go. Okay, that's on. Now the other one. There we go. Put that up. Alright. Okay. So the system's flushed. Now I'll just run the engine, turn on the heater, and check my coolant level.